Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Tea Together, and this is a cute little Mother's Day card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Grapefruit Grove, and I'm going to come in with the Fresh Fig, and we are using Tea Together, and we're also going to be using the Coordinating Framelits Tea Time. So I have the big or the small teacup, and I have that mounted on clear block D. So just like that. And then I have the Happy Mother's Day, and that is on block B. And we're going to be using the same color for all of our stamping. All right. I'm going to put this aside for just a minute. And now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. All right, and I have my magnetic cutting platform down. All right, and I will make my sandwich and run that through. Put that aside. And now we have our little teacup. All right. Okay, so I have a piece of the beautifully detailed laser cut paper, and I have my fine tip glue pen. All right, and I'm just going to put some around the edges here. All right, and then I have a piece of Fresh Fig, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then for this laser cut paper, I just cut it on the edges to make it the card size that I needed. All right, and then our card base is also Grapefruit Grove. Oh, let me put my glue pen back. All right, so I'm going to come in with my SNAIL adhesive, and I'm going to put adhesive on all 4 sides. All right, so I haven't decided if I wanted it this way or this way. I think I want it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this teacup up. All right, and let's see, I will place it here in the middle. And now for the inside of the card, I'm going to come back in with my Fresh Fig. And then I have this sentiment here in the middle on clear block C. So I'm going to ink that up. Let's see, I might have gotten this too inky. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Mother's Day card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!